All right, gang, welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. Here we are at the Asia session. Today is first day of the week, Monday. So July 1st, beginning of the month, and hope everybody had a great day. We had some pretty good trades during the New York session for my Forex platform. Not too bad today. But as you can see, we're kind of in this range right here. Looking at the 4-hour. So we have our lows. I have this marked up and nothing's changed really. We just kind of been ranging here. We caught a nice sell from the midway top here, so we got that nice drop down here and the reverse back up. Now it's been pushing up, so I'm waiting for a retest of this level here, but I'm gonna see if it's gonna break this wick high here and see where we're at around this range. But yeah, I'm probably gonna be looking for sells right around this area here, right below the support level. Unless we get a spike up, closure above this level, then we can look for buys up to go this range up here. So we failed to break here, Today we tapped early morning here, flipped all the way back down, and now we're coming back up. So yeah, we tested this level several times too. As you can see here, we broke below, came back up right into that range, tested here. And yeah, we failed to break. Today we didn't push through. Came close a couple times, but let's see where we're at. Let me turn this down a little bit. Let's see. I took a trade off the NASDAQ today, but earlier today, we tried to catch a sell to see if we could break below certain levels, but didn't get the push I wanted. You know, I thought it was gonna drive further down, but didn't get enough of a drive to come down. So we caught this wick push down. Actually this wick right here. But yeah, not much. You know, we caught some pips. I thought I closed it. It was at about 100 pips. You know, nothing crazy, but the NASDAQ is still ranging. Made this all-time high up here, but it wicked up here. Try to push up, but yeah, it's kind of been, you know, the NASDAQ definitely pushed down, came up, make a lower high. So yeah, it's looking to come down. I'm looking at the NASDAQ. I would look at these levels here. This will be the first target we'll be looking to break. We have a bit of a support level here as well, a resistance, I should say, right around that range there. And then we have our lows down here. So yeah, you know, we have several targets, but the key levels to break would be these lows down here. If we break below that 19,520 level, more or less, yeah, we should just rip down. I mean, yeah, a lot of range to come back down to 18.9. So yeah. We're still kind of somewhat ranging here in the 4-hour, but I'm gonna see if we're gonna push above this resistance here. You know, we might want to come up and fill this wick up here before flipping back, but if we get this rejection, as you can see, we're already rejecting this level here, so we're kind of pushing down. But it's about a little less than an hour, like about 50 minutes. Let's see if this thing's gonna flip back up and continue to push up, or is it gonna just close below and then close back in the range, and then we can expect this to drive down, maybe grab this wick down here. I'm gonna focus on gold. Let's focus on gold for today, and look for potential entries right around this range here. Let's see if we're gonna get that push up, or we're gonna come back down and re-break the lows. Yeah, I was looking at Bitcoin over the week, excuse me, over the weekend, and you have this double top formation here on the 4-hour. Pretty interesting. So let me take a look at this here. So we did break out of this this high here. Now we formed a new area of resistance right up here, and this thing can come down now. Yeah, Bitcoin has been definitely trending down, and now it's kind of trying to make this push up, but yeah, it's stalling here. But let's see, it might attempt to keep going down. So we broke these lows already here. We haven't come down here. Might come down here to that 56.5 area. If we do get a closure above here though, yeah, you can see this is somewhat of a support and a resistance here. Support here. Did we rejecting this area before? Yeah, it was a resistance level here, as you can see. So yeah, it's a pretty key area where it's rejecting from at the moment. It's possible this thing breaks above. I mean, it can run up to 66, 175. So for those Bitcoin lovers, yeah, this is potential here. You know, it's currently in this range, so I would wait for a break of this support level here, or wait for a closure above here, and then take a buy up. All right, so let's wait and see what gold's gonna do here off the 4-hour time frame. We got about 47 minutes left to this candle closure. Yeah, we have somewhat of a bottom wick, not much. We'll wait and see. I can check Euro USD. Yeah, let's take a look while we're waiting here. Ooh, might be. Oh, no, I might be interested in trading this gap right here. It's off the 4-hour. It's only 20 pip move. Yeah, I'll wait. Yeah, you can see Euro USD is just ranging here. And inside this range, we did break out here, but as you can see, we closed back in the range. Now we're pulling up. We might come back down. So this range, this was probably a fake out here. Rejected at this level right here. Look. Yeah, so kind of the same thing here. Got that push up, came down. Now we flipped up. So let's see. Unless it breaks back up and takes off to the upside, it could happen. But yeah, I'm not touching this right here. Not at the moment. Yeah, a lot of wicks over here on Euro USD. Yeah, it's not looking the greatest right now for Euro USD. So yeah, I'll stay out. I want to see how this 4 hour is going to close here. Let's see, we're going to get a bearish closure or we're going to close bullish. Then we can look to either take a quick scalp up to the upside, or wait for closures above this level here and then take the buys up. But if we flip here, then I'm very interested in the sells coming down. What I'm really looking for is something like this. Let's see. I would say, yeah, I'm looking for something like this tonight. If we get it, that's kind of the game plan I have here. But we might not get the push to the top here. I was thinking we might come and grab this wick here. It's about 23.35 or so, more or less. Or right up to this resistance level here, 23.35.65, and then I'll probably look for sell positions right around that price range. You know, depending how much volume we're getting, I might hold off and wait for a higher entry. But yeah, somewhere around this range, anywhere between 23.35 and 23.38, I would look for a sell position. If this resistance can hold here, we'll see. You might take that off the 1 hour too. But that's kind of what I'm looking to do. But I'm going to wait for candle closures in about 40 minutes. All right, guys. So just hang tight and I'll be right back. right, gang, let's see where we're at here. All right, still waiting. We got about 21 minutes to this candle closure here. I want to see what we're going to do here. So let's be patient and wait. Nothing to do yet. We got to wait for our setup. I want to see if this is, I mean, there's still time. It might make a bit of a bigger bottom wick, maybe close bearish. So we'll wait and see. Or if not, we'll look for a bit of a push up here and look for our possible entries around this range here. Buy or sell. Now I'm not in a trade right now. I'm waiting for potential sell opportunities. I'm looking for sells, but I'm waiting for candles to print as well. But also being careful that this level doesn't break out, and which would potentially put us in buys to fill this range up here. So it's possible, but I'm I'm thinking gold's looking to come down. And NASDAQ with a nice rejection here. We caught this spike down earlier today during New York session, but failed to close below and rip back up. Okay, might make another attempt, come down. It did close above this level right here. We see we got that closure above, but this candle ripped down. This might be a bottom wick and it'll flip up. But it looks like it took out the previous 4-hour highs, 4-hour lows, I should say. Sorry. Yeah, already pulled back down, and unless we get that flip, but it's 15 minutes left in this candle, so this thing might have taken out the lows, and it's gonna close back in the range here. I have 14 minutes left. Let's see if is this thing gonna flip bearish and close bearish. That wouldn't be too bad. I just don't want it to close and not give us a bottom wick. Why trade the US 30? I used to. I haven't traded in a while, but I was big on the US 30. I dabble with it every so often. I'll take a look at it. especially during major news. I'll take a whack at taking a trade if there's any potential entries and stuff. But no, I would say no. What's the US 30 doing? Some volatility. We got a lot of volume in these wicks here, but yeah. Was that the all-time high? Oh no, this was la mole. Wow, look at that. Beat that 40,082. And then we got a hard drop. Dang, the Dow Jones dropped 2,000 points, over 2,000 points, and then has been rallying ever since. Is that let me look at the weekly on this real quick. This US 30s is a wild, like, yeah, I mean, for the US 30, what, you're in this range here. But had that double top, this candle was coming down. If you would have broken below here, got a closure below, yeah, we get the push down, but it pulled up and it's kind of ranging here. It's either or at this point. If you're gonna trade the US 30, that's off the weekly. I would say, let me see, leaving those weekly levels marked, right? Yeah, so I would say, look at this range. I would just wait for a break of this right here. So you got this range here and the bottom of that range right here. Yeah, I mean, sideways here for a few days now. I would just wait for the break below or the break above here. You can catch. That's about 300, a little over 300 pips that drive up. So you might want to come up, grab these wicks up here, or retap this level on the top right here. So yeah, I mean, there's potential to trade the US 30, but it's in this tight range right here off the 4 hours. So if you want to trade the US 30, you might want to wait for a break of these levels right here before you make a move. Yeah, Chad, we got about 7 minutes, so just hang tight. Let's wait and see what's going to happen here. That person would like to see a push up. We'll push up. Well, you get some volume around 9 o'clock, 9:15. I would wait for something to see. I want to see if this level is going to get retapped. If we tap into this level here, then I'll look for positions here. If we do close bearish here in the next few minutes, if we happen to close bearish, then I might have positions here. We get a nice push up. We get a top wick first. Then on the flip, we'll get in. We'll take that wick entry. Or we could take the break of the previous candle lows. So we just have to wait. I mean, there's other scenarios too. For example, let me get these. Let me take this out. The way I would trade it, for example, if we get a closure like the way this candle is here now at the moment, What I would wait for is to see if for example, the new 4-hour candle just rips up, no bottom wick, takes out the previous highs, and we run up a little bit, then I would take my wick entry right up here. I'll take a market execution entry right around this area if we was to get a rip to the upside with some volume. Um, or if it does do that, and I want to wait out for to see if this candle is going to break through or how high it's going to go, I would just wait and then have my entry, have a sell stop here, have a pending order at the break of the previous 4-hour lows. You trade exotic pairs? No, no, I don't trade exotic pairs. None of them. I've taken trades. I mean, not that I've never taken an exotic pair trade. I've done the what is it, the U.S. dollar and the Mexican dollar. I've done before, um, the Mexican peso. Uh, I don't dabble too much in the exotic market. So, you see, so 3 minutes of the candle closing, we're getting a little bit of volume, so this gold is starting to push up. But let's see how this candle prints, and then we'll look at the next candle. We might come down and make a bottom wick first, and then flip up and then push up to this level, and maybe even break this level. We'll have to wait and see. We might push up to that 2335 level. This is a 30-minute chart. I'm just kind of looking for some points of interest. And 2335 there as well. There. 35 there as well, right here. Yeah, so there's there's some opportunities right around that, a lot of resistance in that level there. So, just like to have an idea of a price entry. But again, at the end of the day, it comes down to how the candles print anyway. But just like to have that in the back pocket where I'm looking at, potential highs. Or see, right now this 30-minute might come back and break the 30-minute highs, which would probably drive it up to this high right here on that 2335, 36 range. Yeah, the 1 hour. I mean, the 1 hour has just been all green candles, so we might get that pushed down now. we have tomorrow? We don't have much. Oh, we have the Joe's job openings at 10 a.m. But at 9:30, apparently the Fed's speaking. All right, we got a new 4-hour candle here, guys. All right, you see how we rip down? So we're coming down first. So this might be a bottom wick to flip up. So we got a steeper bottom wick. I'll be looking for a buy position. Not steep enough. I wanted to see the bottom wick. All right, well, sorry. Let's follow our game plan here, guys, and wait for our positions. Yeah, wanted this to come down a little further and then flip up. It's too small of a bottom wick for me to get in. And there go the previous 4-hour highs. Nope, nope, not yet. Didn't break the highs. This could be interesting. Man, I might be interested in sells here. Let's see, what's this end here? 2331. I want to see. I want to see first if we're gonna come back up. If we've come back up, but we can't re-break the highs or break the highs at all here, you might come down and take out the lows and flip. It'll get interesting. Top will be just above previous candle high. Yeah. Let's wait and see. If we break the highs, then it's fine. I would think we will come up to this range and then we'll take our original idea. But again, this could form a resistance level here and then give us the rest of the move down. But that's if we re-break the previous 4-hour lows. No, gang, I'm not in the sell. I'm in the sell chat. I'm in sell stop positions here for. I'm waiting for the re-break of the forward lows, but no, I'm not in the sell. Um, just have a pending order. Sell stop at 2331.25. Yeah, the stop loss is above the previous 4-hour highs, and the TP is at the bottom of the range. And I haven't been activated yet. No, no activation yet, guys. Let's see. We're gonna probably re-break these previous 4-hour lows and get activated here. No, not yet. No, no activation yet. Came close though. Almost activated us, but not yet. Yeah, if we break the lows and get activated, then right around this level is where I'm taking partials and hold my runner all the way down to the range. So let's see. Came close but didn't activate. So still a chance that this thing can reflip, re-break its own high, and then that's when we're gonna get the drive up and again look for opportunities higher in the range. But if we can re-break the previous 4-hour lows, we should continue to push down. We have to wait. we should be getting some volume soon, guys. So let's be patient here. And once the volume kicks in, it'll either drive us down or push us up. Either way, will wait. We have our sell stop set up already, so let's just be patient and wait. Yeah, getting close. Let me see. Yeah, so get tapped here. Misactivation. Wow. Did it activate me? No, not yet. Oh snap! Wow, we can. Wow, it didn't activate me there. So those are spreads. That was awfully close. Yeah, I didn't get activated. I almost did there though. Maybe on this next push, we'll come down and we get activated. Yeah, I didn't get activated there. All right, still waiting. It did break the previous lows now though. Now we can see it broke the previous 4 hour lows. So let's see. Maybe we'll get that push down. But didn't activate me. I think now another push. If we re-break this, now come back down and re-break it, then we should see a drive down. Let's see. Might flip up. I thought it would have activated me there by now, but it didn't. So still waiting. See, maybe we'll get some more volume in the next couple of minutes. If we don't get activated by 10 p.m., then I'll just call it a stream and delete the sell stop. You know, unless we're in the trade, I'm not looking to stay on stream past 10 o'clock anyway. So, all right, let's see. Hopefully, we get an activation here. Looks like it's coming down to re-break. If it makes that second attempt and re-breaks again, then we should see the drive down. Not looking. Down. Wow, he missed activation by like a pip or less than a pip. All right, let's see what happens in the next half hour. And the volume is not here. Didn't show up tonight. Usually get a bit of a kick on the volume side here, but nothing significant tonight. I thought I would have gotten this right here. Didn't get activated. We're looking to flip now. All right, well, let's wait and see. Let's wait and see what happens in the next few minutes. Now, if it flips and breaks the current highs, then I'll delete the sell stop and yeah, I'll call it a stream at that point. Let's see if it remains bearish, it can still come down and activate us and then drive down. A lot can happen in 25 minutes, gang. It's 25 minutes of this candle. It can either flip with some volume, you know, push up, re-break at the highs, automatically making us delete this sell stop. But if we come back down and flip and re-break the lows, it should drive down. That's what we're hoping for. But if not, like I said, I'll definitely be looking for positions at the top of the range here. But yeah, I won't be on stream. I'm not gonna wait for the market to push that way. So. Still might flip bullish. Interesting. All right, so we took out the lows and then flipped up. I wouldn't mind the drive to the top. I mean, that was the original plan, to wait for the market to push up, but I saw it created this top hook and started rejecting and then took out the lows. Had that sell stop pending, but didn't activate us there. Yeah, if it re-breaks the highs here, we'll delete the sell stop. What's this right here? And then this range at the top. Yeah, that's 7 there. Oh, these are the lows. At 33. Wick highs at 35. Wick high here, 36 or 37. So that's a lot of wick rejections on at the top of the range up in this area here. So that, if this does re-break the highs, then that's definitely an area right up here. So we'll keep an eye out. But right now it's still there. Again, I'm waiting to see either we're gonna re-break the highs, automatically invalidating this move here. But if we remain bearish, I'll wait these 22 minutes and see if we're gonna get activated. If we do come back down and re-break the lows and get activated, then I would expect the market to come down and tap these levels down here. Yeah. Let's see. See, normally, when as far as this 1 hour candle, once it came down and took out the previous 1 hour lows after making a top wick, this candle has no business coming back up and re-breaking its own high. It doesn't mean it won't happen or it hasn't happened, but it's very unlikely. That's why I'm still here waiting, but I want to get activated within the next 20 minutes. If not, then I'll just call it a stream. But you guys, if you're gonna stay on the market, stay on the charts, that would be the move. So the re-break of the current 1 hour lows, if we do push down further, once we re-break, that should be the drive down. Yeah, I agree with that. Yeah, the volume, we usually get a little more volume normally, but tonight not much. That 9:30 volume didn't kick in, so we're just here waiting. Definitely a lot of volume during the London session. So for those who trade the London session, yeah, you might have some volatility. But I was hoping to get the break of the lows, and we could have gotten these just about 40 pips here. Yeah, about 40 pips there, and then the drive down that would have been about 100 110 pips. see, there's still time. I mean, 17 minutes. It can push down and re-break those lows. So let's be patient and see. Otherwise, I'm out. Hmm. Now, it will be interesting if we do close bearish here, even prior to the activation. It's going to form this resistance level right here. And then it's possible the next candle come up, make a top wick, right? And then flip. And then we'll probably get activated there and then continue to drive down. That's also possible. Um, for those who want to continue who want to leave this setup here, just know, like I said, if this 1 hour candle now before it closes, if we come up and re-break the highs, then I'll delete the sell stop. But if we close bearish, we form this support here, resistance level, I apologize, this resistance level, then we can expect a bit of a top wick, then the flip down, re-break of these, in that case would be the previous 1 hour lows, will activate us and get us in this trade, and then we catch the drive down. But or we can just come down now and re-break the lows now, and that'll confirm the drive down as well. So let's see. Let's see if we'll get a bearish closure, or is it going to close bullish? If it closes bullish, either way, I'm out. All right, chat. We got a little over 9 minutes left. All right, 2 minutes chat. This thing is flipping bullish here. Still waiting. I'll wait these 2 minutes to see what happens. Yeah, look at this, guys. Yep, we broke the highs. Yeah, guys, I'm out. That's where the volume came in. All right, let's delete this. Yeah, gang, this thing might come up to this range up here. Yeah, we got that closure. Look at that. We broke the previous 1 hour highs and pushed up. We got a nice push up. Wow, we almost got activated here too, gang. Woo. Yeah, man, they broke the previous lows, but it didn't activate us. Yeah, I had about a few pips below the break of the low, so yeah, no activation here, but flipped up. So yeah, no trade today. Look at all these green candles, guys. Look at this. It's like slightly trickling up, but you know, I feel like this thing is gonna rip down. But let's see. Might be a move up here to this range that I was talking about earlier, and then we can look for sell positions. But yeah, that's all I got for tonight, guys. I'll call it a stream here. All right, guys. So tomorrow, 9:30, Jerome Powell will be speaking. Then we have I think Jalt's job openings at 10 a.m. So yeah. All right, gang. Thanks again for stopping by. I appreciate you guys hanging out, and we'll get back on the horse tomorrow. For my platform members, we'll be trading the New York session tomorrow morning. And I'll see the rest of you tomorrow for Asia session. All right, guys, have a great night, and peace out.
Sueño